welcome to today's theme park adventures. Today we're at Chessington World of Adventures. This is a great park, especially for Howl'o'ween, which we're at the event for, and I can't wait to get on some of my favourite rides in the dark, including a new one that no one has ever been on in the dark before Howl'o'ween, which is Mandril Mayhem, and I can't wait to see this in the night.
The Circle of Eight.
Run, boy, run. This world is not meant for you. Run, boy, run. They're trying to catch you. Run, boy, run. Running is a victory. Run, boy, run. Beauty lies behind the hills.
We've just watched the show of Banyan Fire. This has really good usage of fire. The actors in there are really good, especially with their dancing. Their costumes are really good. The story of Banyan Fire and Ice is, well, what's behind us and what you would have saw in snippets of the show is that tree with the elephant on it. Banyan is the elephant inside it, which is like their king, and the Circle of Eight are the people protecting the banyan tree. Now, the ice people, who are their rivals, want to look after the tree as well, and at the end, after some epic dancing and big explosions of fire, they decide that, well, it's better if they both protect the tree. So this is a very good show, and I hope to see Chessington expand the story on it and make it better. So we're about to go for Pumpkin Patch. This looks like a great scare attraction, so we're going to check it out and give our thoughts after.
Hello humans!
Hello!
Hi humans! Cool! That's so cool, go there,
I like how they turn to the truck when it only sells food.
Move it! 5 star jumps! What?
is more of a photo-based scare attraction. I like it. Pretty good. So we've just been in for Pumpkin Patch, and this has some great theming in it, and it's more photo-based and scare-based. This is really good for taking your little children in, because it's not that scary, and you can give them some really good pictures with all the pumpkins and hay. We've also got the big pumpkin spider in there, which looks really nice, and the theming in this area is great, and I love what Chessington have done this year for Pumpkin Patch. So Croc Drop Tower here at Chessington. It's some really good theming with a massive crocodile. Looks amazing at night. I mean, compared to daytime, like it's amazing at night, but at night it's a whole different story. Literally, the lighting of this massive crocodile is amazing, and well, I love this ride of day, but at night it actually looks incredible. And Chessington, this is a great lighting package for Croc Drop.
Rock your body right out to your left, Serena. No witches are back. All right, and it feels wonderfully wicked to be back. Howl'o'ween brings out the worst in me. Isn't it fantastic? Oh my God, we're back again. Yeah, we're all Scarlet. Brothers, sisters, everybody sing. Sing it, Serafina. Gonna bring the flavor, show you how. Show me how, Serena. I got a question for you. So we're just spinning for Witches of Adventure Point. This is a great show, and well, all the songs, they're very catchy and very good, and of Witches, they're very nice. It's not that scary of a show, so it's good for younger kids to watch, and well, it's a very good show, and I just like to see it here in Adventure Point, right in the middle of Chessington, in front of the gift shop. So this is Wild Villagers. This is a free scare zone, and I went on this in 2022, and also I can't wait to get back on this again, and it's a very good scare attraction, so I can't wait to get on it. want to be my friend?
After you, David.
I like your eyeballs, can I have them, please? I like when they come up in my house.
I don't know why I always have to go there.
Where is the vampire hiding? Are you sure? Liars don't last long here. Someone knows where he is. You reek of lies. Where is the vampire?
I had to say no. So, for our villagers, this is an amazing scare attraction, and all the actors in there are really good, and their costumes are amazing. It may feel like I am getting a bit repetitive, but at theme parks, when they come to shows and scare attractions, their costumes are actually amazing, and they're really good at what they're doing. It's like they know what they're doing. And we've been to Olsen Towers and Fort Park. Fort Park, we've been on for clothes from Walking Meadow, and Olsen Towers, we've been to Burial Grounds. Those are very similar to Val Villages. Maybe Val Villages isn't as scary as both of those, but still, they are all very similar, and all of them are really good. And Val Villages, especially at night, is really good for Chessington. And I love it here at Scarefest. Not Scarefest, Howl'o'ween. So, this is Mandril Mayhem at night. This, like the Jaguar, looks great. And I love the usage of green lighting on the Jaguar. And this ride looks absolutely epic at night. I mean, it looks great in the daytime, like all the theming around the area is great at day, but at night it just steps up to the next level. And even though this is themed on Jumanji and it's supposed to be in a dark forest, still they have this lighting everywhere, and the Jaguar looks amazing. And I can't wait to get on this ride at night. So we've just ended our day at Chessington World of Adventures for Howl'o'ween. This has been a great day. We've got some great rides such as Mandril Mayhem, which I have a new resin for now, and this resin, and you can't lie about this. This looks absolutely amazing. I mean, the texture and detail on the Jaguar from the actual ride is immense, and I love this resin so much, so I'm going to keep hold of it and make sure I don't drop it, because also this is really fragile. Even the person who gave me it, and I paid for it, he even said it's fragile. So if you're buying one of these, make sure you keep hold of it, because if you drop it, that'll be the end of it. So Howl'o'ween has been great this year. Like last year, it's got a load of new things, but a lot of the same things. It has Wild Villages from last year, but it has a pumpkin patch, and well, this has been a great Howl'o'ween for Chessington. I can't wait to come back next year in 2024 to see the next Howl'o'ween. Thank you for watching Dave's Theme Park Adventures, and we will see you in the next vlog.